Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial today I'm going to show you how to actually merge multiple PDF files together inside of one file. It's very easy. The first thing that you want to do is have your PDF files ready. Now from there we go to our browser and we open up ilovepdf.com. Now it will take us to this website where there are a lot of tools for a PDF. Now here you can actually see the option merge PDF. Now we press it and here select the PDF files. Now we can simply select the PDF files right here and drag them inside. Now as you can see, we get two pages right here, two files, sorry, and here we can merge the PDF. Now from there the PDF has been merged and we can download the merged PDF, and that's right here. Now as you can see, that's it. It got 24 pages and these two got 12 both. So if you still get questions, leave them in the comments down below. If this video has helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching.